How to set up a new Trust wallet. So if you want to set up a new Trust wallet account, or maybe back all the whatever the process is, whenever you open up wallet and then you want to connect your account or maybe create a new wallet, you can choose to add an existing one. But if you want to create a new wallet, you can tap on the create new wallet option. Now here are two types of things that you can do. One is that you can create a secret phrase which is not changeable or recoverable, so make sure you write them somewhere or back them up to Google Drive or somewhere, save your secret phrase. You can also actually go ahead and then back up with Swift. So create and recover wallet with Face ID or fingerprint. This is done automatically with your device's passkey. So you can simply tap on the create option if you want to go ahead and select Swift. So if you want to do with secret phrase, the choice is totally up to you. So you can select that, back up manually or back up to Google Drive, whatever else it is. And once you've done all that, your wallet will be set up and it will get ready for use inside the Trust Wallet app. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.